Sick of that striker who keeps blanking? It's time to ditch them, and this is exactly how you transfer players in Fantasy Premier League, boosting your chances of those precious points. First, log into your FPL account via the official website or the app. Head straight to the My Team section, which is usually found in the main navigation menu. Scroll through your team and identify the player you want to transfer out. Consider their recent form, upcoming fixtures, and injury status before making your final decision. Once you've decided, click on the Make Transfers button, often located at the bottom of the My Team page. This takes you to the transfer screen. On the transfer screen, click on the player you're removing. A small window should appear, giving you the option to remove or sell the player. Click that button. Now, you'll see a list of available players to replace the one you just removed. You can filter by position, price, and predicted points to find the perfect fit for your squad. Select the player you want to bring into your team. Make sure they fit within your remaining budget. Their details will pop up and you can confirm the transfer. Before you finalize anything, double-check your team to ensure you're happy with the changes. Then, and only then, click the Confirm Transfers button. Remember, transfers are not reversible after you confirm. The system will then confirm your transfer. Check your team value and remaining budget to make sure everything looks correct. Now get ready to watch your new signing score a hat-trick. Good luck!